In front of me is Blackview Tab 6, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and download your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into Devices Settings right away. In Settings, scroll down, tap on Apps and Notifications, scroll down again and tap on Default Apps. Now you need to select one of those sections, in my case Browser app. And last but not least, just click on your new downloaded one that you wish to apply. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!